You're the body psycho walking through the jungle. Listen what I'm searching for. When I just think I can hold it, I can't. Oh my friend, when I just a little dreaming for the crystal, should I bury in my soul? It's time, just let it go. Please tell me all the moments we got, all the love and trust, but could they help me fit in? Wishing my dream very well as we has gone. Oh dear God, if all the love that we got written by your hand, how will you ever feel the loss? We will never know that at all. I know the song will last, the day would pass, but I still got you embrace. We know the sun goes down, the truth won't shine. So what I really made me cry. Please tell me all the moments we got, all the love and trust, but could they help me fit in? Wishing my dream very well as we had gone. Take my hand, I'll say ocean in the now remembering the white cloud every path will lead you home before spring can hold me once more.
Staring at stars, watching the moon, hoping that one day they'll lead me to you. Wait every night, 'cause if a star falls, I wish to go back to the times that I loved. Why do the stars shine so bright in the sky if most of the people are sleeping at night? Why do we only have one chance at life? I wish I could go back in time.
Pictures remind me of things I forgot, but also of all of the things that I've lost. Can't get them back, they won't fall from above. So I try to forget all the times that I've loved. Why do we remember beautiful lives? We end up regretting them most of our lives. Why do we only have one chance to try? I wish I could go back in time. Each time I fall asleep, I always see you there in my dreams. It's
Please tell me that I am okay. Please show me that this is the way. When time stands still, when I feel silence, life gets real. When hearts are violent, words they kill. But I stay silent. Let me know that you're still with me. when snow is falling, in winter silence, when no one is calling, when dawn is lightless, I will be still, I will stay quiet, and I will wait until the springtime. I will wait until the snow stops. I will wait until the morning for you. Don't worry, 'cause you'll be okay. Don't let all the time pass away. You are loved and you are priceless. 'Cause your love, well, nothing's quite like it. Although now may seem like a lifetime, know that the dawn will come for you. Know that the peace will come for you. Know that my love will be with you always. It's not obvious, my friends, they all caught it saying I end up falling for you. I'm doing my best to hide these feelings, confessing it's the last thing that I want to do. I know I can't be crushing on a girl who can't be here for long, so I told myself I should just stay away. But these lyrics keep coming out, I don't think I can stop it now. I wonder if they'll get to you one day. But I'll sing these words I'll never say, 'cause that's the only way for me to say those words. Just wait and see, they'll come for sure. Too shy to look you in your eyes, I swear that I'm not lying, 'cause I knew it's true from the first time we met. I'm so in love with everything you say and all the doodles that you post, and every time you sing a song the people crowd a little closer to you. I wish we were closer, we'll never be close. But I know I should be moving on, 'cause you won't be here for very long, and there's no way I could ever make you stay. this song for you, cause I don't know what else I can do, and I'm hoping that for you it's okay. If I sing these words I'll never say, cause that's the only way for me to say those words. Just wait and see, they'll come for sure. To shine, to look you in your eyes, I swear that I'm not lying, cause I knew it's true from the first time we met. I'm so in love with time flies way too fast. I've tried to make it last, but you're flying out in a few more days. But you should know that my time with you was all that I wanted my summer to be. And even if you're not here with me, I still mean these words I'll never say. You're special in a way to me, I can't deny it, but lately I've been tired of hiding. No, you don't feel the same, but I need to get myself to say the words I've known they're true since the day we met. I've been so in love with you. Since the day we met, I've been so in love with you.
Okay.
I think that we can make each other happy, and I try my best to give you all you need. It's been a secret in the back of my mind. I've held these feelings in my heart confined. I've been on a sentimental journey to find the caring soul God made for me. I won't forget on the first night we met, I just got dead and a sweet brunette. And I know that we are both quite awfully busy, but I treasure each and every moment through and through. Darling, now I must confess, I must get this off my chest. I think I'm catching feelings for you. You're my type, what would be my ideal? Let's fall in love, let's make it real. The very thought of you would make my darndest dreams come true. More than you know, I hope you like me too. And I know that we are both quite awfully busy, but I treasure each and every moment through and through. Darling, now I must confess, I must get this off my chest. I think I'm catching feelings for you. And I know that we are both quite awfully busy, but I treasure each and every moment through and through. Darling, now I must confess, I must get this off my chest. I think I'm catching feelings, I think I'm catching feelings for you. I think I'm catching feelings. could say I never dared to think about you in that way, but I would be lying. And I pretend I'm happy for you when you find some dude to take home. But I won't deny that in the midst of the crowds, in the ships, in the clouds, I don't see nobody but you. In my rose-tinted dreams, winkles out on my sheets, I don't see nobody but you. Boy, come who doubted something, who could say that there's always coming. Tell me, do you feel the love? Spend the summer lifetime with me. Let me take you to the place of your dream. Tell me, do you feel the love? And I could say I never unzip those believers inside my hand, but that's far from the truth. Don't know what's come over me. It says like yesterday when I say we'll be friends forever. Constellations of stars mirror our city walls. I don't see nobody but you. You're my vice, you're my muse, you're my nighting floor view. I don't see nobody but you. Boy, come hold out to something, who could say that there's always coming. Tell me, do you feel the love? Spend the summer lifetime with me. Let me take you to the place of your dream. Tell me, do you feel the love? Boy, come hold out to something, who could say that there's always coming. Tell me, do you feel the love? Spend the summer lifetime with me. Let me take you to the place of your dream. Tell me, do you feel the love?